Hello and welcome. You are watching Coin Monitor. Here are the top headlines for the day. Crypto market rises on trade hopes. ETF flows reflect diverging sentiments. Ripple and the real-world assets are in news today. The broader crypto market edged slightly higher on Monday, though overall sentiment remains fragile as last week's volatility continues to weigh on the prices. Investors' focus is now sharply turned into the high-stake US-China trade negotiation taking place in London. In their last meeting on May 12th, both sides agreed to suspend tariffs for the 90 days, a move that spurred a recovery in the S&P 500 and the crypto markets. Hopes are building that the new progress could help ease global economic tensions. Bitcoin rose 1.6%, was trading close to around $1,7,200, buoyed by the continued institutional interest that appears largely unfazed by the short-term market jitters. On Sunday, Michael Saylor, executive chairman of MicroStrategy, shared the firm's signature Bitcoin profile tracker on X with the option Send More Orange, a crypto node that often precedes a new BTC acquisition. Similarly, Japanese investment firm Metaplanet made headlines on Friday announcing a plan to issue 555 million shares, aiming to raise $5.4 billion for the further Bitcoin accumulation. Meanwhile, in Europe, the blockchain group launched Euro 300 million capital increase program, setting its sights on becoming the continent's first Bitcoin treasury company. This sustained institutional demand offers a degree of downside protection for the Bitcoin and supports its growing reputation as a strategic reserve asset, especially amid ongoing macroeconomic and geopolitical concerns. The US-based crypto ETF saw mixed flows last week. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded an outflow of $131.6 million, while the spot Ethereum posted inflows of $281.3 million. Ethereum was currently trading close to around $2,530, up 1.2%. The global crypto market cap was at $3.3 trillion, reflecting a 0.2% upsurge. Altcoins and meme coins in focus. Altcoins are showing strength to start with. XPX 690, which is SPX, an internet computer, gained 5.5 to 7%, while AB led the pack with a rally of 15%. In meme coins, Eric Trump announced that the World Liberty Financials intend to add Donald Trump to its treasury holdings, that is, the token. Despite the buzz, the token slipped 0.6% to trade close to around $10.29. Separately, Ripple has partnered with Web3 Salon, a Japanese-based initiative backed by the Asia Web3 Alliance and Japan's External Trade Organization. The collaboration will offer up to $2 lakh per project over the next year, and XRP was currently at 1%, trading close to around $2.23. Similarly, in a big development, Dubai's booming real estate sector has posted $18.2 billion in May. Sales continues to embrace tokenizations. With a record $3 billion, the blockchain real estate deal recently announced. However, the real-world asset-linked tokens such as the Link, AVAX, XLM, and Ondo were down 1 to 2%. Litecoin and meme coin ETF speculation has taken the center stage as the Litecoin Foundation launched the Nexus wallet, now available on the Google Pay and the iOS app. Still, LTC fell by 1%, was trading close to around $87.18. Meanwhile, the Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas predicted a strong chance of an actively managed meme coin ETF launched by 2026. Despite the most meme coins were trading lower, such as the Bonk, Fartcoin, and WIF were trading up by around 2%. So going forward, Bitcoin short-term trajectory will likely be shaped by the progress in the US-China trade talks and upcoming macroeconomic data, including the Consumer Price Index report due on Wednesday and inflation expectations data later this week. Investors will be watching closely for signs of easing or worsening economic pressure. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.0 TV. Thank you.